He? Yes! Always present, Jod. Thank you so much. Galingan ta? Ay, wow. Magaling. Hindi siya
Sino ang mga pinakamalayang pinanggalingan?
Reno!
Chicago! New York!
Reno!
Wow! Las Vegas! Wow!
Thank you. We
Awesome.
appreciate
We
you.
appreciate you. Meron kayo nagsabi, Carson! Tumawid lang siya.
Kami ang
Tumawid
pinakamalayo.
lang siya. Alright, okay, we'll get to know Kim and Paolo a bit better. We've got some of your questions that you sent over to our marketing group, and we will have them make bunot in this Magic Tambiolo, and we will see what they have in store for Kim and Pao, or better known as
Yes.
You can go.
Jolo and Sari.
Ako una.
Ayan.
First question.
First question.
If you could give your character one piece of advice, what would it be?
Yun. Ah.
Advice. To never be afraid to fall in love. Kasi lahat naman tayo, hindi naman tayo takot magmahal. Takot lang tayong masaktan. Oh, it's the saddest, but it's true. Yun lang. Never be afraid in everything in life.
Alright, okay. Next question. Naparaya agad si Pao.
Should I change the question? Should I change it?
Palit ng
You
palit.
guys get to choose. No?
No!
What's one talent or skill you have that fans might not know about?
Ah.
Wow, talent. Hidden talent.
Skill, sport.
Skill.
Um, I can whistle anything in tune.
Whoa!
Ako lang pasample ko tuloy.
Sampo! 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 Sampo!
Give me a song.
Sampo!
Kanta. Bigyan na akong kanta.
Anong request na kanta?
Dilaw?
Dilaw, dilaw. Yes.
Woo!
Nakita niyo
Lahat
lang
kami
yung
na,
mukha.
nagka-moment of silence kami.
Yung mukha ni Pao. Ako na nakakita kasi nag-focus na focus.
Kasi medyo
Concentrate.
mag-ano.
So, hindi pa yan the best whistling
Parang
capacity.
40%
Kasi
ano siya,
nasa katulad lang muna na yun. Okay, kakaiba yun na. Alright, next question.
Oo, may sakit si Paul. May nurse ba dito?
You!
Maraming
You! You!
Madami yun naman nag-offer sa mga hospital na pinagtatrabuhan ng nurses natin. Pipili na lang po ako.
What was your process in preparing for this role? Marami. I did workshop and isa sa pinroseso ko talaga sa isip ko is meron akong alagang guinea pig. Medyo mahirap iyakan yung guinea pig eh. So, hindi ko talaga manamnam pa. Pero, nag-workshop naman kaming dalawa ni Cookie. So, okay naman yung Cookie ko, tsaka yung si Cookie.
For those who haven't seen it, you'll see it a bit.
Yes, kilala niyo si Cookie, the cutest superstar sa movie.
Hindi ba siya diva?
Diba siya? Meron siyang vet sa set.
Wow.
And marami siyang snacks.
Wow.
Carrots, cucumber.
Special.
Yes. Bago siya mag-take, kailangan kumain muna siya.
Wow. Diba talaga?
Yes.
Ayan.
How does this role compare to the previous characters you've played?
Ayan.
How come I always get the hard questions?
O, diba?
Well, I did What's Wrong with Secretary Kim before doing this, also with Kim, which is technically also a rom-com, but series longer form. I think the difference is this shows more of our culture, and it shows more of us being Filipino. So everything about this film is truly what represents us as Filipinos, our culture, our community, how we do jokes, how we treat each other, how it's so parang yun siguro yung difference. And also I don't know, but I think, well,
The kissing
I tried my best to be funny as much as I could in this film. So, you be the judge of that after the film. Okay.
I agree, he's funny, right?
Thank you, thank you. You get a free selfie because.
But to Paul's point, do watch out. You'll notice the beautiful scenes of Manila, the city of Manila.
Yes. The
So,
newly improved
it-
Jones
They
Bridge.
took full advantage of the Jones Bridge area. It's very pretty, so you'll enjoy seeing that. All right, next question, Kimmy.
Next question, candidate number 2. Why do you think audiences are drawn to stories about love and rediscovery? Siyempre tayo mga Pilipino, very loving. And we love to love people. Mapagmahal, di ba, mga Pilipino all over the world. And parang every time we watch a love story, parang kahit wala kang love life ay mapapamahal ka na din. Parang ang sarap ma-in love and be love and to fall in love.
So
Tama
you're
ba?
in...
Yes, tayo, mapagmahal tayo. Gusto natin ng mga feel-good love stories or kahit ano, basta gusto natin kiligin tayo. Yan.
So you're in love?
Life is love, love is
Are you
life.
in love right now?
Ano?
Are you in love daw right now?
Hindi naman ko sali sa nabunot ko. Sabi lang rediscovery.
Siguro po yung mga screenings bukas, baka mabunot po yung question.
Balik kayo bukas. Of course! Alright, anyway, final words, Kim and Pao, before we let them enjoy your movie. What do you want to say to our fans tonight?
Again, thank you so much for your time, for coming all the way here to watch our film. We appreciate you guys, and I hope we get to sana mabawasan yung pagka-miss nyo ng Pilipinas through this film. Thank you again, and enjoy the film.
Alright.
Yes, again, thank you so much for coming here, for seeing me and Paolo, and of course our movie, My Love Will Make You Disappear. Thank you so much. Sana ma-feel good pa kayo lalo sa pelikulang ito after you watch it, and sana mas ma-in-love pa ang lahat. And sana mas spread the word pa natin ang My Love Will Make You Disappear showing here in the US and sa Pilipinas na rin. Thank you so much, everybody.
One last favor, we'll all be part of a group selfie called Groovy. So Pao and Kim will
Yes.
sing with Ed Sheeran, turn around.